Are we at B's, Eddie?
We are at, let's see, what's our pain scale looking like? We're at a 4. We're at a 4 for now.
Okay. This is still concerning.
Yeah.
But, you know, he could work, so we're gonna... Hey, everybody. It's Nicole here with Eddie. We're gonna do some shockwave on his knee. Eddie, you want to tell the people why we're shockwaving your knee today?
So recently I've been having some patellar tendinopathy. Been having some pain when I'm bending my knee, then hyperextending it as well. But yeah, but I'm walking, I'm talking, still alive.
He's still working hard, guys. Don't worry. If you need your shockwave, you got Eddie here, despite his knee pain. All right, Eddie. Show me where the spots are that you're feeling it.
Usually
we're gonna get in there.
Right into the lateral portion.
Okay.
And then sometimes like right up in here, and then kind of like the tendon right up in here too.
Got it. All right.
So it's a couple of X marks.
All right, kids, let's have some fun, shall we? Boom. All right, Eddie. We're gonna turn it down a bit. We're going to get you a baseline, and then we're going to see what happens.
Doing that one again?
I'm already tensing up.
You're like, I do this all day. I get it. Yeah. It's not going to be fun. All right. I'm going to start at the top and the meaty part.
Gotcha.
Feeling it?
Not much yet.
All right. Thing in there? A little bit?
Yeah.
More? No?
No, it is, yeah.
Okay. Out of 10, what are you giving this right now?
It's a matter of 1 right now.
Oh, all right. We're going to crank it up on Eddie, because he can handle it. He's got it. You're fine. Everything's okay. Yeah?
Not too bad.
All right.
Yep, right there.
That'd be the spot. Where are you feeling this going into, Eddie?
Right into the kneecap.
That would make sense. Feeling that in there? Are we at B's, Eddie?
We are at, let's see, what's our pain scale looking like? We're at a 4. We're at a 4 for now.
Okay. This is still concerning.
Yeah.
But, you know, he could work, so we're gonna...
Yep, now we're at B's.
Yeah, now we're at B's. So you can see I'm kind of pushing his knee a little bit. It's kind of pushing some of that tissue out of the way, so he got to B's. B's is 6, people. That's where we want to be. We want to be where the B's are. You can do it, Eddie. You're the king.
That's what they say.
Don't let that crown fall. Okay, brother? All right. Yeah.
Went to a 7 now.
Okay.
Yeah. It's going to be psychological, but I think we can. Like, I fall back.
Yeah. How you doing over here? Better than Carly.
Not much. It went. I think you just went over
Yeah.
it. Yep, right there.
Yeah, on here. Yeah. There goes our pain scale.
No?
Okay, right there. Yep.
Yeah. I saw it twitch.
Don't have to move my feet though.
Don't worry, Eddie's safe. Relatively.
Am I?
Relatively speaking, you're safe. Alright, now I'm going to come from the bottom and come back around.
Gotcha.
See what we got over here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Too much? You okay? Okay. Yeah, I kind of just went where I was pointing down into from the top.
Good observation. Oh. Because it's working.
Yeah. Notice how Eddie did not point to this side of his knee when he told me, yet I still knew.
Oh, we found something.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You just say uncle, okay? We'll never say uncle. Oh yeah. See, Eddie, you needed this.
Yeah, definitely.
Now we know. The more you know. Yeah.
Pretty mild right there then.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't need mild here.
Nope, not at all.
We're not mild people. We don't play games. We get right in there. You can do it, Eddie.
Yeah.
Almost there. You did it.
Where am I?
Unfortunately, you're still at work. All right, Eddie. Let's clean you up because you can't go working like this. I mean, you could. Just, you get some questions, comments, concerns. All right, people. That's all we have today for Eddie's knee shockwave because I don't think he can handle anymore. We'll see you next time.